Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice problem. A to the power b is equal to b to the power a. So we have to find out value of a and b, right? Condition is given ab is not equal to 0, 0, 1, 1 or 2, 2, right? So let's start. Let b is equal to k into a. Right? So, a to the power k into a is equal to b ka to the power a. Right? If we take square root on both the sides, a to the power ka is equal to square root of ka to the power a, right? So a to the power ka power half, right, is equal to k into a to the power a to the power half, right? So a, this can be written as k into a over 2, right, is equal to, same way, ka to the power a into half, a by 2, right? So we can write this as a to the power k to the power a by 2, right, is equal to k a to the power a by 2, right? Now a to the power k to the power a by 2 is equal to k a to the power half, right, a by 2. If we multiply both sides by 2 by a, right, now we have remain, cancel out, same way, a to the power k is equal to k into a, right? If we divide both sides by a to the power k over a is equal to k into a over a, right? This a to the power k minus 1, right, is equal to k, okay, a to the power k minus 1 is equal to k, right? If we multiply power both the sides by 1 over k minus 1, right, same way, 1 over k minus 1, right? So this and this get cancelled out. Now we have a is equal to k to the power 1 over k minus 1, right? And as we have assumed b is equal to ka, right? b is equal to k into a, right? If we take, if k is equal to 3, right, we cannot take 0, 1 or 2, right, because a, b is not equal to 0, 0 or 1, 1 or 2 2, right? A is equal to this, B is equal to this, right? We are taking here if K is equal to 3. Right? So A is equal to, we have assumed, now we are taking K is equal to 3, so 3 to the power 1 over K minus 1, 1 over 3 minus 1, right? So A is equal to square root of 3. A will be equal to square root of 3, right? If we go with this, B is equal to K, A is equal to this, right? We can write in place of A, K to the power 1 over K minus 1. K to the power 1 over K minus 1, right? So B is equal to, this into this will be K O to the power K over K minus 1, right? So B is equal to K, as we are taking 3. So 3 to the power 3 over 3 minus 1, right? So B is equal to 3 to the power 3 by 2, or B is equal to square root of 3 cube, right? So A is equal to this and B is equal to this, right? If we check, now if we check, right? So A to the power B is equal to B to the power A. So A is square root of 3 to the power B is square root of 3 cube, right? Is equal to B is square root of 3 cube and A is square root of 2, right? So square root of 3, 3 to the power half, to the power this as 3 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to square root of 3 to the power 3. Here I am extremely sorry, this is square root of 3, right? So this can be written as 3 to the power half, right? So 3 to the power half into this 3 to the power 3 by 2, right, is equal to square root of 3 to the power 3, and this will multiply here, right? So into 3 to the power half, right? So 3 to the power here 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2, right? And square root of 3 to the power this and this, right, will be 3 to the power 3 by 2, right? So 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2, right? Now square root of 3 to the power half, right? And 3 to the power 3 by 2. Okay. So 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 to the power half into 3 to the power 3 by 2. Right? So 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 to the power, this and this will be 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2. Right? So finally we get 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2. Okay friends, thank you.